Latest safety technology in your car. Airbags. It is a vehicle safety device that is designed to inflate rapidly during an automobile collision. It prevents the passenger to avoid striking the car's window or steering wheel. FCW, forward collision warning. It is an audible or visual warning provided to the driver before the collision of the car, like seat belts get tighter, airbags align, etc. Bumpers. They are designed in a way to deal with minor collisions by not damaging the whole body or engine of the car. Shatter Resistant Glass. The windshield breaks into numerous pieces that cannot harm the passengers during a collision. Rear view camera. Proper alignment of mirrors ensures high visibility and eliminates the blind spots. It gives us an idea of the traffic behind us while reversing the car. Thank you. For more www.carlearner.com.